Creature facial recognition. What creature is this you're about to see? Creature 007. What do you know about this animal? Each photo was taken by myself at the St. Louis Zoo. Each creature at the zoo has kindly posed for these close-up portraits. So I'm going to click and go to the next slide. You're going to see the face of the creature, close-up. You're going to then take 10 seconds to think, what creature is it? Jot down the name and any details you know about the creature. And if you need more than 10 seconds, pause the video and then play it again or go on with it, and you'll see some unique feature creatures. So here we go. You got 10 seconds to recognize what kind of creature this is, its name, and any unique things you know about it. A few more seconds. And now, if you want more time, pause the video, because I'm going on to show you what creature this is. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake. Well, this species is easily identified by the diamond-shaped pattern along its back, the source of its common name, as well as the distinctive black band that covers its eyes, outlined by two pale lines. It has vertical cat-like pupils, and there is a large pit between the nostrils and the eye on each side of its face. Eastern diamondback rattlesnakes are well known for their rattle and painful venomous bite, which can be fatal to humans. The toxin in their venom, called hemotoxin, kills red blood cells and causes tissue damage. That said, human deaths from rattlesnake bites are rare because the anti-venom is available throughout its range. The eastern diamondback rattlesnake is in North America's longest and heaviest venomous snake. Their average length is about 3 to 6 feet, but some adults can be as long as 8 feet. Diamondbacks are bulky snakes with large heads that average about 10 pounds. The native habitat, eastern diamondback rattlesnakes are endemic to the southeastern United States. They are found in the pine lands of Florida, the coastal plains of North Carolina, and southern Mississippi through eastern Louisiana. And now for the uniqueness of this unique creature feature, communication. When threatened, the rattle on this snake's tail issues a final warning before it strikes. The rattle itself is hollow and loosely attached. These rattles frequently break off, but a new one appears each time the rattlesnake sheds. Now, this is a YouTube video you can go to listen to it. And I'm going to go to the next slide, and I'm going to actually play this just for a second.